Top 25 Tax Preparer Interview Questions and Answers. In the world of tax preparation, securing the right position requires more than just technical skills. This video guides you through the top 25 interview questions that candidates often face in this field. You'll gain insights into effective responses that showcase your expertise and readiness for the role. Prepare to enhance your interview performance and stand out among other applicants. 1. Can you walk us through your experience and qualifications in tax preparation? I have over 5 years of experience in tax preparation, working with individuals and small businesses. My qualifications include a bachelor's degree in accounting and a certified public accountant (CPA) license. I've handled various tax situations, from simple returns to complex cases involving multiple income sources. My expertise lies in identifying deductions and credits that clients may overlook, ensuring compliance with IRS regulations. I have also completed specialized training in tax software, enabling me to streamline the filing process while maintaining accuracy and efficiency. 2. How do you stay updated with the latest tax laws, regulations, and changes? Staying updated with the latest tax laws requires a multifaceted approach. I regularly subscribe to reputable tax journals and newsletters that provide timely updates on legislative changes. Attending professional seminars and webinars helps me gain insights from experts in the field. Additionally, I participate in online forums and discussion groups with fellow tax professionals, which allows for knowledge sharing. I also utilize resources from the IRS and state tax authorities to stay informed about any new regulations or guidance. This continuous learning ensures I can provide accurate and relevant advice to my clients. 3. Describe a challenging tax issue you have encountered and how you resolved it. One challenging tax issue I faced involved a client with multiple income sources, including freelance work and investments. They had failed to report some income, leading to significant discrepancies in their tax filings. I took the time to analyze their financial records, identifying the unreported income. After gathering the necessary documentation, I worked closely with the client to amend their tax returns for the affected years. I also helped them set up a more organized system for tracking their income going forward, ensuring compliance and reducing the risk of future issues. 4. What software or tools have you used for tax preparation and filing? I have utilized several software tools for tax preparation and filing, including Intuit ProConnect, Drake Tax, and H&R Block tax software. Each platform offers unique features that enhance efficiency, such as e-filing capabilities and client management systems. I particularly appreciate using spreadsheets like Excel for organizing data and conducting calculations. Additionally, I have experience with cloud-based tools that facilitate collaboration with clients, ensuring that all necessary documentation is accessible in real time. This combination of software enables me to streamline the tax preparation process effectively. 5. How do you ensure accuracy and attention to detail in your tax preparation work? Ensuring accuracy and attention to detail in tax preparation involves a systematic approach. I start by thoroughly reviewing all client documents and financial records to ensure completeness. Utilizing tax preparation software helps minimize errors by automating calculations and flagging inconsistencies. I implement a checklist for each return, covering all required forms and schedules. Additionally, I conduct multiple reviews, including peer reviews, before filing. Staying updated on tax laws is crucial, as it helps me identify potential pitfalls and ensures compliance with current regulations. This structured process significantly reduces the risk of mistakes. 6. Can you provide an example of a time when you identified potential tax savings for a client? One instance involved a small business client struggling with high operational costs. Through a detailed review of their financials, I discovered they were eligible for a research and development tax credit that they had not claimed. I worked closely with them to document qualifying activities and expenses, ensuring compliance with IRS guidelines. By filing for this credit, we secured a significant refund that eased their cash flow and allowed them to reinvest in their business. This experience reinforced the importance of thorough analysis and proactive communication with clients. 7. How do you handle tight deadlines and manage multiple tax-related projects simultaneously? Handling tight deadlines while managing multiple tax-related projects requires a structured approach. I prioritize tasks by assessing urgency and complexity, breaking down larger projects into manageable milestones. Effective time management tools, such as calendars and project management software, help me track deadlines and allocate time efficiently for each task. I maintain open communication with clients and team members, keeping everyone informed of progress and any potential issues. Staying organized and maintaining a detailed checklist ensures that nothing falls through the cracks, allowing me to deliver quality work even under pressure. 8. What steps do you take to ensure client confidentiality and maintain ethical standards? Ensuring client confidentiality begins with establishing secure communication channels and implementing robust data protection measures. I limit access to sensitive information to only those who need it for tax preparation. Regular training on ethical standards and confidentiality is essential for all team members. Additionally, I adhere strictly to professional guidelines and legal requirements, regularly reviewing policies to stay compliant. Transparency with clients about how their data is handled fosters trust, ensuring they feel secure in sharing their financial information while minimizing risks associated with breaches. 9. Have you ever dealt with an audit or tax investigation? How did you handle it? Dealing with an audit or tax investigation requires careful preparation and clear communication. I once assisted a client through an IRS audit where discrepancies arose from prior tax filings. My first step was to gather all relevant documentation, including financial statements and prior correspondence. I communicated openly with the auditor, providing requested information promptly. By addressing concerns directly and rectifying any issues proactively, we were able to resolve the audit favorably. This experience emphasized the importance of thorough record keeping and maintaining transparency with clients during challenging situations. 10. How do you approach communicating complex tax concepts to clients with limited tax knowledge? When communicating complex tax concepts to clients who have limited tax knowledge, I focus on simplifying the terminology and breaking down the information into digestible parts. I often use analogies or real-world examples that relate to their personal or business situations, making the concepts more relatable. Visual aids, such as charts or graphs, can also be helpful in illustrating key points. It's crucial to encourage questions, ensuring clients feel comfortable discussing their concerns. This approach fosters a clearer understanding and builds trust in the advisory relationship. 11. Are you familiar with international taxation? Have you worked with clients who have international tax obligations? Yes, I have extensive experience with international taxation. I have worked with clients who have cross-border transactions and foreign income, ensuring compliance with both domestic and international tax laws. This includes understanding treaties, foreign tax credits, and reporting requirements such as Form 5471 and FBAR. I focus on identifying tax-efficient strategies for clients with international obligations while minimizing their tax liabilities. My approach involves thorough research and collaboration with international tax experts when needed, ensuring clients receive comprehensive guidance tailored to their unique situations. 12. How do you handle disagreements or conflicts with clients regarding tax strategies? Handling disagreements or conflicts with clients regarding tax strategies requires a balanced approach. First, I actively listen to the client's concerns to understand their perspective. I then explain the rationale behind my recommendations, providing evidence and examples to support my position. If a resolution isn't reached, I remain open to alternative solutions that align with the client's goals while ensuring compliance with tax regulations. Maintaining a respectful dialogue is crucial, as it helps preserve the client relationship and builds trust, allowing for more productive discussions in the future. 13. Can you explain the process you follow to gather relevant financial information from clients? When gathering relevant financial information from clients, I start by conducting an initial consultation to understand their business and personal financial situations. I provide clients with a comprehensive checklist of required documents, such as income statements, expense reports, and prior tax returns. I encourage open communication, allowing clients to ask questions throughout the process. I also schedule follow-up meetings to clarify any uncertainties and ensure all necessary information is collected. Maintaining a secure online portal for document submission enhances confidentiality and streamlines data collection. 14. How do you ensure your work aligns with current tax regulations and minimizes the risk of errors? Ensuring work aligns with current tax regulations involves continuous education and leveraging reliable resources. I regularly attend tax seminars and subscribe to industry publications to stay informed about updates. Utilizing advanced tax preparation software helps automate calculations and flag potential errors. I also prioritize implementing a thorough review process, where I double-check all entries and calculations against the latest guidelines. Maintaining open communication with clients ensures I fully understand their financial situations, allowing me to apply regulations accurately and minimize discrepancies. 15. How do you stay organized and maintain detailed documentation for tax records and filings? Staying organized in tax preparation involves implementing a structured filing system for both physical and digital documents. I categorize files by tax year, client name, and type of document, ensuring easy access. Regularly updating records and maintaining checklists for required documentation helps prevent omissions. Utilizing tax software aids in tracking and organizing information efficiently. I also set reminders for important deadlines and follow up on outstanding documents from clients, which ensures all necessary paperwork is secured in a timely manner. This systematic approach enhances accuracy and facilitates smooth tax filing processes. 16. Describe a time when you had to handle a complex tax return. What steps did you take to ensure accuracy? Handling a complex tax return for a client with multiple income streams and various deductions required meticulous attention. I began by thoroughly reviewing all financial documents to identify necessary information. Next, I created a checklist of all relevant forms and schedules to ensure nothing was overlooked. I utilized tax software to input data accurately, double-checking figures against original documents. After completing the return, I conducted a comprehensive review with a colleague to ensure accuracy before presenting it to the client for approval. This collaborative approach minimized errors and provided an extra layer of assurance. 17. Tell me about a situation where you faced resistance from a client regarding your tax advice. How did you handle it? In one instance, a client was hesitant about my recommendation for a tax-saving strategy involving a change in their business structure. They were concerned about potential risks and the impact on their current operations. I took the time to listen actively to their concerns, addressing each point with detailed explanations and examples. I presented supporting data that highlighted the long-term benefits while reassuring them about the transition process. By maintaining open communication and providing clarity, I was able to build their trust and ultimately gain their acceptance of the advice. 18. Can you share an example of a time when you identified a potential tax-saving opportunity for a client? One notable instance was with a small business client who was unaware of the home office deduction. After reviewing their financial records, I realized they were eligible due to their significant use of a portion of their home for business activities. By calculating the square footage and related expenses, I helped them claim this deduction, resulting in a substantial reduction in their taxable income. This not only lowered their tax liability but also highlighted the importance of maximizing available deductions, ultimately enhancing their financial situation. 19. How do you navigate through changing tax laws or regulations? Navigating through changing tax laws and regulations requires a proactive approach. I prioritize staying informed by subscribing to reputable tax publications and participating in professional organizations that provide updates on legislative changes. Attending workshops and webinars is essential for gaining insights from experts. I also leverage technology, such as tax software that incorporates updates in real time. Collaborating with colleagues can enhance understanding, as discussing complex changes often reveals different perspectives and solutions. This comprehensive strategy ensures my clients receive accurate, timely advice. 20. Describe a time when you had to educate a client about tax planning strategies to minimize their tax liability. When working with a small business owner, I noticed they were unaware of several tax-saving strategies available to them. I scheduled a meeting to discuss tax planning. During our conversation, I explained the benefits of retirement contributions, deductions for business expenses, and tax credits for hiring certain employees. I provided examples relevant to their business situation, illustrating potential savings. By simplifying complex concepts, I empowered the client to make informed decisions, ultimately leading to a significant reduction in their tax liability for the year. 21. How do you minimize your risk of accounting error? To minimize my risk of accounting error, I implement several key strategies. First, I maintain meticulous attention to detail by double-checking figures and calculations at every stage. I utilize accounting software with built-in error detection features to catch discrepancies early. Regular reconciliations with bank statements and ledgers help identify any inconsistencies promptly. Additionally, I establish a systematic review process where a peer reviews my work, providing an extra layer of accuracy. Continuous professional development ensures I stay informed about best practices, which further reduces potential errors. 22. Can you explain accounts receivable and accounts payable? Accounts receivable, AR, refers to the money owed to a business by its customers for goods or services delivered but not yet paid for. It represents a company's claim to payment. On the other hand, accounts payable, AP, represents the money a business owes to its suppliers or vendors for products or services received but not yet paid for. Effective management of AR ensures timely collection, while efficient handling of AP helps maintain good supplier relationships and manage cash flow. Both are crucial for assessing a company's liquidity and financial health. 23. Do you have experience with budgeting methods? Can you give some examples? Budgeting methods are essential for effective financial management. I have experience with various methods, including zero-based budgeting, where every expense must be justified for each new period, incremental budgeting, which uses the previous period's budget as a base, and flexible budgeting, which adjusts based on actual activity levels. In my previous role, I helped implement a zero-based budgeting approach for a client, resulting in significant cost savings by eliminating unnecessary expenses and reallocating resources more effectively. This method facilitated more strategic financial planning and decision-making. 24. How would you approach improving a company's finances? To improve a company's finances, I would first conduct a thorough financial analysis, examining cash flow, expenses, and revenue streams. Identifying inefficiencies and areas for cost reduction is essential. Implementing a budget and setting clear financial goals helps track performance. Additionally, enhancing revenue through marketing initiatives or exploring new markets can positively impact finances. Regularly reviewing financial statements and adjusting strategies based on performance metrics ensures ongoing improvement. Engaging with stakeholders for feedback fosters a collaborative approach to achieving financial stability. 25. Can you explain negative working capital and its implications? Negative working capital refers to a situation where a company's current liabilities exceed its current assets. This can indicate potential liquidity issues, as the business may struggle to meet short-term obligations. However, it can also signal efficient operations in certain industries, like retail, where companies quickly convert inventory into cash. Businesses with negative working capital must monitor cash flow closely, as insufficient liquidity can lead to inability to pay suppliers or meet payroll, affecting reputation and operational stability. In this video, we've explored the top 25 tax preparer interview questions and answers that will help you prepare for your next interview. Understanding these key questions can boost your confidence and improve your chances of landing the job. Remember, being well prepared not only demonstrates your knowledge of tax regulations but also showcases your professionalism and commitment to the role. If you found this information helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content. Your support helps us continue to provide useful resources for aspiring tax preparers. Thank you for watching.